So, as the rumored January 22nd unpacked is right around the corner, like previous years, Samsung is unable to do anything to prevent Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks. And if you don't know, not long ago, someone uploaded a video of the unreleased phone showcasing the phone's new design with the rounded corners. Although this is a prototype unit, or might be an early production model. But watching the video, it is quite clearly the real thing and gives us our best look yet at the upcoming flagship. Furthermore, on top of that, there is also a recent leak providing the first real glimpse at the phone's colors. Yes, you heard it right, there have been previous leaks of the rumored colors, but now we're seeing them confirmed by leaked images of actual SIM trays, which appear to be original, thanks to leaker Roland Quant, where the colors are black, green, purple, blue, white and silver. That said, coming back to the main video, we will be talking about the colors for the S25 Ultra. While the above leaked photos of SIM trays revealed the color options for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, here is the images of SIM trays revealing the colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, where the phone is tipped to feature in titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gold, and titanium silver. Additionally, there are also other colors, namely titanium jade green and titanium pink gold, which will likely be only available online. While these colorways are definitely a personal choice, what's more interesting is the alleged updated design, where the S25 Ultra is abandoning its sharp corners for subtly curved edges, as seen in the leaked video, where the device is rumored to have flat sides. And if you ask me, both these changes will not only give a refined look to the device but also make it more comfortable to hold. However, keep in mind, these design changes are far from the only things that will make the S25 Ultra exciting. Likewise, the phone is also tipped to be powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset flanked by 16GB of RAM, a new 50MP ultra-wide camera as per the recent leaks. Lastly, it will run One UI 7, which is the new, overhauled version of Samsung's user interface, which should further contribute to improving the user experience. That said, what are your thoughts on upcoming S25 series? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Peace out.